I circle prey in a cipher like a cage fighter. I maim rhymers, waste biters, bang writers. Your highness, arrive from the sky. Stay fly on the mic like I stage dive with hang gliders. The worst kind of vermin, purple, snakish, murderous, crazy. That's the verse I'm making. The clergy's praying, saying I'm serving Satan. So from the dark, I'll spark any place. I heard an amen. Heartless, hatred's my native language. No martyrs escaping. Nobody safe since killing you really ain't shit but a location. And I can get away with it, I'm trained and I'm patient. The lone wolf who slays men with cold flagrants, rampaging, breaking the reins of whole nations, claiming the soil, foil administrations, boil them in the poison oil they hold praising. If you believe for a second I'm falling off, you can all bleed to death in this holocaust. You can watch people beg as they crawl upon raw heads in the skulls of the slaughtered dogs. Show no mercy, maul them, haul them off. Call it off for y'all if all the lost. Draw a cross on your chest and pray the Holocaust hoax, for it heads your way. My birthday's unknown by the state I'm alive. That's why the FBI is dissecting my rhymes, trying to find important clues to my origin. Cause I'm a thorn in the side of the majority of powerful Americans. I'm under surveillance again in every country with intelligence on me is failing. Cause the methods that they using are human and mine are alien. That's why I can't be viewed through any camera that be trailing me. I have to dodge the helicopter squadrons that follow me, darting through the streets in darkness using newly invented research chemicals that mask the past signal on my heat signature. I stay invisible like a professional criminal. Listen, I can get at you cause you're easy.